Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and today I'm gonna teach you the power freeze or pike freeze. That is this freeze right here. So, to do it, first of all you have to know which is your strongest hand or arm. For me it's the left, but maybe for you it's the right. At the beginning I recommend you to practice on both sides just to see which one is best for you. And you should start like a cartwheel. In the cartwheel you start like that, right? But for the power freeze you start with this arm down and just with your hand like this. Then practice the start of a cartwheel, but stop on the first hand, like this. Just do that many times. Practice this movement until you feel very comfortable. When you can do this, try to kick this leg up more, like this. And this is called the air freeze. That is like a simpler version of the power freeze. So practice the air freeze more times. Kick always your leg towards you, like that. And maybe try to touch your foot with the other hand, like this. Practice also this many times, maybe. And then touch. When you are able to do this, you should do the same, but kick also the other leg on your face. Maybe the simplest version is to practice with your knees bended. So just your knees towards you, but not the legs. With the legs like this it's harder, but if you just use your knees it's easier. So practice like that. Practice that many times. So first step, this. 1. Then second step, this. 2. Third step, this. 3. And last step, do the pike freeze. So it's the same, but both legs towards you. 4. And you can touch this leg maybe, so not the one like the air freeze, but the other one. In this case, in my case, if you do it with the left arm, you should touch your left foot. Or you can also touch this one, or you can touch both like this, or you can put the arm in the middle, as you prefer. Or you can even not touch anything and just put your arms straight like that. And just kick your legs, both of your legs, towards you. One more time. And that's it. I recommend you to practice on both sides, so it's better for your control and to get stronger and in both sides. And that's it. If you want more, let me know in the comments below. If you are interested about my merch, link in the description. Thanks to Rose Punch behind the camera.
Yeah.
Check all the links in the description. And peace. See you in the next video. Yo ninja!